welcome back. The new problem is the ratio of variable cost to sales is given to be 70%. The break-even point occurs at 80% of sales. Find out the 100% capacity over full capacity sales when fixed costs are rupees 1,50,000. Fixed cost has no relationship between the capacity utilization. Under the running situation, from 0% to 100% capacity utilization, the fixed cost remains constant under the short term. Determine the profit at 95% capacity sales. But first of all, in this question or in this problem, there is no information regarding selling price per unit and variable cost per unit. So we cannot have the contribution per unit. So we cannot use the formula of BEP or sales having contribution per unit as denominator. Then what? Under this situation, we can use the formula having PV ratio as denominator. But how to find the PV ratio? Because to find PV ratio, we should have contribution and selling price or sales. But in this case, there is no information about sales or contribution or variable cost. But there is a relationship between the variable cost and sales. The variable cost is given to be 70% of sales. That means if sales revenue are 100%, variable cost is 70%. Then what about the gap between these two? Excess of sales revenue over variable cost, and that is contribution. So we can say that contribution is 30% of sales. And whenever we express the contribution as percentage of sales, it is known to be PV ratio. So indirectly, the PV ratio is 30%. Now we have two things, fixed cost as well as PV ratio. If we substitute these two in the formula of break-even point, we can have the break-even point in terms of value or currency. So let us find the break-even point. Yes, 1,50,000 is 30% of rupees 5 lakh. So rupees 5 lakh is the BEP, or more precisely break-even sales value. We cannot find it in the number of units because we don't know the selling price per unit. Now the second sentence is the BEP occurs at 80% of sales. I dare to say that the wording should be the BEP occurs at 80% of capacity, because that interpretation only can give us the 100% capacity sales. BEP equals to 80% of capacity. That is 5 lakh. So the capacity would be 5 lakh divided by 80%. Therefore, capacity or full capacity equals to rupees 6,25,000. So the first answer is 100% or full capacity sales equals to rupees 6,25,000. Some daring for this type of interpretation is needed. Now the second thing is determine the profit at 90% of capacity or 90% capacity sales. First of all, sales at 95% capacity. What is the sales at 95% capacity? That equals to rupees 6,25,000 into 95%. So it will be 6,25,000 into 95%. That is rupees 5,93,750. 5,93,750. So ultimately the second question is, whenever or if the sales revenue are 5,93,750. What is the profit? We can find that profit through the formula of sales. $5,93,750 equals to fixed cost 1,50,000 plus profit that is missing divided by PV ratio 30%. 5,93,750 multiplied by 30%, that is 5,93,750 multiplied by 30%. That is 1,78,125 rupees. 1,78,125 equals to 1,50,000 plus profit. So now we can say that profit will be rupees 28,125 if we utilize 95% of capacity. That's it. Thank you very much.